Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to find the value of x. Essentially, you need to put in mind or to recall the principle that states a to power m plus n is equal to a to power m multiplied by a to power n. In this case, we have 3 to power 2x plus 1 is the same as 3 to power 2x multiplied by 3 to power 1. Rewriting this particular aspect or element, we have 3 to power 2x multiplied by 3 to power 1 plus 9 to power x is equal to 36. 9 can be written in terms of 3, so you write it again, 3 to power 2x multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 plus 3 squared multiplied by x is the same as 3 to power 2x is equal to 36. From what we can see, the 3 to power 2x is common, so we say let y be equal to 3 to power 2x. Therefore, what you have is 3 multiplied by y plus y is equal to 36. 4y is equal to 36. Divide both sides by 4. You're left with 9. So the value of y is equal to 9. But we are not interested in the value of y. We are interested in the value of x. So you need to recall that the value of y, since the value of y is equal to 9, it's also equal to 3 to power 2x because we assumed that y is equal to 3 to power 2x. So you can as well write it as follows. 3 to power 2x, which is your value of y, is equal to 9. 9 can be written in terms of 3. And we have a common base after that. So this becomes 3 to power 2x is equal to 3 squared. Common bases, you strike them off and then you pick 2x is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 2. What you have is x is equal to 1. That's the answer